Ladies and gentlemen, I stand before you today to discuss a profound question. What distinguishes those who achieve incredible heights from those still seeking answers for their life, health, and future? This question should instill in us a deep sense of seriousness. Success or failure, prosperity or lack thereof, these are serious matters that shape our lives. As we embark on a journey to make this year our best yet, let's embrace a three-part strategy. Get serious, get smart, and get going. Firstly, you must get serious. Life is a matter of life or death, a delicate balance that demands our utmost attention and dedication. We must approach every opportunity and challenge with the gravity it deserves, understanding that our future is crafted by the decisions we make today. Understanding life as a delicate balance involves acknowledging that our journey is made up of interconnected experiences, where each decision can tip the scales in one direction or another. This balance is not just about survival, but about thriving, growing, and reaching our fullest potential. It's about making choices that not only preserve our well-being, but also propel us towards a more fulfilling and purposeful existence. Approaching every opportunity and challenge with the gravity it deserves means that we don't take our decisions lightly. Whether it's about our career, relationships, health, or personal growth, each choice comes with its own set of consequences. This approach fosters a sense of responsibility and mindfulness about the ripple effects of our actions. Moreover, getting serious about life involves a deep understanding that our future is crafted by the decisions we make today. This forward-looking mindset encourages us to think and act in ways that align with our long-term goals and values. It's about making deliberate choices that contribute positively to our future self. In practical terms, getting serious means setting clear goals and priorities, making informed decisions, and taking consistent actions towards our objectives. It's about being disciplined, focused, and resilient in the face of challenges. It also means being proactive rather than reactive, shaping our lives actively rather than letting circumstances dictate our path. This mindset also involves a level of self-awareness and reflection. Understanding one's strengths, weaknesses, values, and aspirations is crucial in making decisions that are true to oneself and in alignment with one's personal and professional goals. In essence, getting serious about life is about embracing the profound responsibility we have in shaping our destiny. It's about recognizing that each day is a new opportunity to make choices that can lead to a meaningful and rewarding life. It's a call to engage with life fully with intention, purpose, and a deep appreciation for the journey itself. Secondly, you must get smart. Knowledge is a transformative tool. We must strive to enhance our understanding, to absorb ideas and information that could pivot our lives towards success. Learning from personal experiences, both successes and failures, is crucial. Remember, sometimes the best way to learn how to do something right is by doing it wrong first. But let's not dwell on our mistakes. Rather, let's use them as stepping stones to greater understanding and achievement. The process of enhancing our understanding involves actively seeking out new ideas, information, and skills that can pivot our lives towards success. This pursuit of knowledge isn't confined to formal education but extends to all aspects of life. It includes staying curious, asking questions, and being open to new perspectives and experiences. Learning from personal experiences, both successes and failures, is a cornerstone of this approach. Every experience, especially the challenging ones, is an opportunity for growth and learning. It's essential to reflect on these experiences, understand what worked, what didn't, and why. This reflection turns experiences into valuable lessons that guide future decisions. The adage that sometimes the best way to learn how to do something right is by doing it wrong first is particularly apt. Mistakes are inevitable, but they are also rich sources of insight. A smart approach to life involves not fearing mistakes, but embracing them as part of the learning process. It's important to analyze what went wrong in a situation and use that understanding to improve and avoid similar pitfalls in the future. However, it's equally important not to dwell on our mistakes. Obsessing over past errors can lead to a negative mindset and hinder progress. Instead, the focus should be on using these mistakes as stepping stones to greater understanding and achievement. This approach fosters resilience and a positive attitude towards challenges. Additionally, getting smart involves seeking knowledge from diverse sources. This includes reading widely, engaging with mentors, participating in discussions, attending workshops, and being part of communities where learning and growth are encouraged. It also means staying updated with advancements and trends in one's field, which can provide a competitive edge and open new opportunities. In practical terms, setting aside time for self-education, practicing critical thinking, and applying what one has learned in real-life situations are crucial steps. It's about moving from passive consumption of information to active application and experimentation. Thirdly, you must get going. All the knowledge in the world means little without action. The miracle of your future lies in daily disciplines. Start with small steps. Address your neglects, do what you can, and build from there. Remember, all disciplines affect each other, and every new discipline has a positive impact on the rest. The concept of starting with small steps is crucial. Often the biggest hurdle to achieving our goals is the overwhelming nature of the task at hand. By breaking it down into smaller, manageable actions, we make progress achievable. Addressing neglects is a significant first step. It means identifying and focusing on areas we've previously overlooked or avoided, whether it's a minor task we've been postponing or a skill we've neglected to develop. Doing what we can with what we have, from where we are, is an empowering approach. It underscores the importance of starting now rather than waiting for the perfect moment or resources. This is where the essence of progress lies, in the willingness to take action, however small, towards our goals. Building from there involves gradual and consistent effort. Every small step taken is a building block towards a larger goal. It's about creating and maintaining momentum. As we continue to take action, we build our capacity and confidence, enabling us to tackle more significant challenges and pursue more ambitious goals. The interconnectedness of disciplines is another vital aspect. Each new discipline we adopt, be it related to our personal or professional life, can have a ripple effect on other areas. For example, developing a discipline in time management can positively impact our productivity, health, and relationships. Similarly, cultivating a discipline in health and fitness can enhance our mental clarity, energy levels, and emotional well-being. Every new discipline we integrate into our lives contributes to a holistic improvement. It enhances our overall capability to manage different aspects of our life more effectively. The positive impact of a new discipline isn't confined to that specific area. It influences our entire lifestyle and mindset. Moreover, the practice of discipline reinforces the belief in our ability to change and grow. When we consistently apply ourselves to a task or habit, it strengthens our self-discipline and self-confidence. We prove to ourselves that we can commit to and achieve our goals, which is a powerful motivator for future endeavors. As you progress, focus on getting better. Embrace personal development and growth. Learn to handle life's seasons effectively. The winters of challenge, the springs of opportunity, the summers of nurturing and protection. In each season, find ways to grow stronger, wiser, and more resilient. And don't forget the power of words. Your words have the potential to touch lives, to illuminate paths, and to inspire action. Use them wisely to share your journey, your learning, and your growth. Finally, balance your life. Take care of your responsibilities, but also cherish and nurture your relationships. Keep your friendships strong and your family close. And in all you do, maintain a sense of excitement and passion. In conclusion, to make this year your best, you must embark on a journey of serious commitment, continuous learning, and consistent action. Develop a philosophy that guides you, nurture the discipline to follow through, and always strive to get better. With these